Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover the difference between abstract class and interface. In interface, we use the interface keyword, and in abstract class, we use the abstract keyword. A class implements interface, but a class extends abstract class. A class could implement multiple interfaces, but a class could extend only one class at a time. Variables in an interface are public, static, and final by default, but in class there is no restrictions. We cannot keep normal implemented methods in an interface, but we could keep normal implemented methods in an abstract class. We could achieve 100% abstraction in interface, but in abstract class we cannot achieve 100% abstraction. In abstract class we cannot achieve 100% abstraction because abstract class has constructor, and also because in abstract class we could keep normal implemented methods. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.